correct. It's a bit hard. That's alright. That's alright. So we're learning. Live and learn. You know? Doing good. Ridgewood. Okay, Summerfield. Okay, Seneca. Sorry, I called Ridgewood. Okay, that's good. Yep. Guess we missed the rush hour though.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, that's good, you know, because it'll be a little bit busy here.
Friday will be at 8, so.
Friday, 8 a.m.?
Yeah.
Okay. Alrighty, that's what it is.
On Tuesdays, I work out in the morning, so that's why I have it.
That's fine. Whatever works for you. Just because, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yep, whatever works for you. Nice shirt, nice and smart. Okay. You're drifting, you know?
Yep, I see.
Yeah. You're drifting. Too much acceleration, you okay?
Yep. Keep going straight.
Because we're going straight, yeah? At the corner coming up, we're making a right turn.
Okay.
Okay.
Corner coming up. Right turn.
You're going to your right, you're too much. Keep in the middle. Yes. You're going back again to your right, go to the left, keep in the middle. Yes. Alright. Start preparing for the turn. Is it full stop? You know what we do from here, right?
Yep. Stop.
Okay. Your second stop. Right. Beautiful. Take your time. Okay. Turn the wheel. Beautiful. Turn the wheel. You don't want to touch the yellow line. Take your time. Roll back. Turn the wheel back. Turn the wheel back. Turn the wheel back. Turn the wheel back left. Turn the wheel left. Turn the wheel to the left. Turn the wheel to the left. Turn the wheel to the left. Okay. Don't accelerate while you try to get control of the car, okay?
Okay.
Because if you do, it will be an accident, alright?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, that's okay. You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
We're gonna keep straight. That's alright.
Okay.
Okay. Remember I said, never fully accelerate until you have full control of the car, okay? Alright. That's alright. That's it.
Today's not a good day. I'm sorry.
No, what happened? You're doing good. We're learning, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. We're gonna make a left turn here where this big truck is going. Cover the brake, cover the brake. You're learning. You know, that's the process of it, right? Okay. Took some time off, you're coming back, it's gonna be a little bit strange, you know?
Yeah.
Alright, nothing wrong with that. Gonna make a left turn here. It's not rushed. The cross traffic has the right of way. Okay, what is this guy gonna do? Is he gonna go or
Is he gonna?
okay, let's make a left turn. Let's go. You make the turn, Take your time. Okay, off the brake, let's do it together.
I'm not.
No, you're turning too much.
Okay.
You're gonna be going on the curb.
Okay.
Okay? That's what it is. Good. Yeah. Okay. That's all right. Yeah. Bring it to the left. You're going up to your right. Give it to the left.
Okay.
Beautiful. All right. Good. All right. Cover the wick. You see? I'm really smart that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you are.
That's right. The examiner does the same thing while they're sitting next to you. Although they're not looking at your foot, they know when you are not on the brake. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because the traffic is this close, and we're in the accelerator, and it slip. What are we having? It's an accident.
Right.
The car got enough strength to bring itself in.
Right.
All right. Yep. You see? Do we have to accelerate?
No, not at
There
all.
we go. That's what we're talking about. Probably still tired, huh?
A little.
Okay.
Just my concentration. My apologies.
No, you're fine. We're learning. I'm okay with that. Please. Keep it rolling. Of course. It's a process of learning. Very comfortable with it. We're making a left turn at the corner coming up, okay?
Okay.
All right. All to your left, you're going up to your right. Beautiful. Go to the left. That's right. So you can keep the same here. Left, that's correct. Left at the corner. Now we do where everybody can see everybody all the way up. All the way up more, okay? Beautiful. Where's your first?
Alright, we're here.
Okay, go with your turn. Little guys to get to the turn. Little guys, you're turning too much. You don't want to be on the back lane, okay? Take your time here. Let's see what happens. Take your time, you're turning back too soon. Okay, roll back now. Good, good, good. We're going straight across. Got it?
Okay.
Alright. That's okay. Putting the sunriser down, perfectly fine with me, but at the touch you cannot do that.
Oh, okay.
You know, it will prevent you.
Know that.
Yeah, it will prevent you from seeing the light. Take your time, you're coming up to all the way stop sign.
Yep.
Yes, yes, yes. That's all right.
I did not know that.
Roll up so everybody can see everybody. Yep, the sunriser. No. Make it at the traffic light, right turn.
I did not know that.
Of course, I know. That's how you do it. That's right. That's good. Take your time on the turn. Okay. Turn the wheel, turn the wheel, turn the wheel, turn the wheel. Okay, no more turning. Once the car turning by itself, let the car completely turn. Begin to roll back to the left, roll back to the left. Okay. You accelerate a little bit too soon before you have full control.
Okay.
All right, that's all. You see? All right. Yep. You drifted. Let me help you here.
Sorry.
That's okay. Hectic back there, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was a little.
That's okay.
Really? Hectic. Well, the traffic.
There we go.
It's good to. I've never driven.
Okay.
Like in traffic.
Okay, that's good. Nothing wrong with
So.
that. We live and we learn. This guy's doing here. Thank you so much. Yep. Ridgewood. Okay, area. Drifting to your right. No wash on the light. It's a nice day today.
It is
The
a very
visibility
nice
is good.
day. Going straight here.
That's correct. You're doing good. Then straight across. Going straight across.
To the right of it.
Okay, take your time. You know what to do here.
Cover the brakes.
Okay, signal all your attention. Okay, keep going for next time. I don't. Okay, then you're nice and smooth. You're gonna come back to your side. Yeah. Okay. All right. So I don't want to throw too much at you here, but when we're signaling, what could we have done next?
cover the brake.
And then what? Me was in shoulder going around.
And then
Me
right.
was in shoulder. Remember,
Right.
we're going out to the left.
Okay.
We signal left, me were left shoulder left, go around.
Yeah.
Then coming back, signal
Signal
right,
right,
me were
to go.
right and shoulder right, coming back around. Because
Yeah.
for the purpose of the road test, whatever we do, you must do what? Signal all of your attention. Real life, we're good to go, but for the road test, the examiner will mark you off some points that even can lead to a disqualification. Because reason why? Because once you don't check your shoulders, it's taking about 15 points off. But basically, they fail you, but they just have
Yeah.
to take the points. Since they have to take the point, because it's a serious matter, keep all up.
Mm-hmm.
And the event that you're not checking the shoulder, there's a possibility you can hit somebody because there will be on your blind spot that you cannot see. All right.
Right.
All right. Besides that, it was
Okay.
good. You know, very little TLC. You know.
A little